this is Buffy. Before installing the movable partition check system, please check that the ceiling and steel structure can provide sufficient load-bearing capacity, and that enough space is reserved for installation and ceiling finish later. If you would like to get our installation guide and joints for free, please leave us a message below. All installation tools should be prepared based on EBUNGE's suggested tool list. Before installation, make the movable partition check position according to the joints and check the central line and installation height. EBUNGE movable partition panels are commonly available in 65, 85, and 100 mm thickness, as well as super high movable partition systems for special project requirements. The movable partition system is suited for installations with heights up to 15 meters, depending on the project design and site conditions. The check system is top-hanging and fixed to the steel structure using slotted rods and suitable steel connection brackets. No floor check is required. Typical installation space ranges from 180 mm to 380 mm, or higher if required by site conditions. Final installation dimensions are always confirmed on site. The EBUNGE movable partition check system is designed for heavy-duty use, with load capacity typically range from 300 kg and 800 kg per meter, depending on the selected panels and check system configuration. After the check installation is completed, check that the check is straight, level, and secure. Now we move to movable partition panel hanging. The EBUNGE system includes a removable check section called the active check. After the main check is installed, the active check can be removed and used to hang the movable partition panels. Using the active check, each panel is lifted and installed one by one, making installation safer and more efficient. After all panels are installed, the active check is put back and locked, and the EBUNGE movable partition system is ready for operation.
Welcome to the EBUNGE project case, demonstrating a movable partition wall system in action. In this commercial space, the movable partition wall transforms a large, open area into several smaller functional rooms. Movable partition walls allow flexible space division with smooth overhead track operation. Unlike traditional fixed walls, these systems can quickly and efficiently open or close areas, adapting to different space requirements throughout the day. This project features an overhead aluminum track combined with high-performance acoustic panels. The system does not require a floor rail, which helps keep the flooring continuous, clean, and visually modern. During operation, each panel moves independently and smoothly along the track. Panels can be stacked neatly into a parking area when fully opened, maximizing the available space. EBUNGE movable partition walls are widely used in hotels, banquet halls, offices, and conference centers. They are especially suitable for spaces that require both openness and privacy at different times. Each panel is designed with a strong aluminum frame and an acoustic insulation core. This structure ensures stability, durability, and reliable sound reduction for comfortable communication. Throughout this installation, you will see how the panels align, slide, and lock securely into position. Precise connections and professional hardware help maintain long-term performance and a smooth daily operation. Custom finishes such as melamine, laminate, fabric, and HPL are available to match various interior design styles. This flexibility allows architects and designers to integrate the partition system seamlessly into the overall space concept. Effective space division in commercial buildings can significantly increase usability and operational value. With this system, one large room can instantly become multiple meeting rooms or event spaces without permanent construction. Movable partition wall systems are ideal for conferences, training sessions, exhibitions, and multifunctional venues. They allow building owners and operators to respond quickly to changing space demands. EBUNGE provides complete solutions, including design support, site measurement, manufacturing, transportation, and installation guidance. Our experienced engineering team ensures that each project is tailored to the specific site conditions and usage requirements. With more than 16 years of experience, EBUNGE has delivered movable partition wall systems to clients worldwide. We continue to support architects, contractors, and developers with reliable and flexible space solutions. For more information or a customized movable partition wall solution, please contact the EBUNGE team at any time. Movable partition walls, also known as operable walls, are becoming a modern solution for flexible commercial space design. Instead of using traditional fixed walls that permanently separate rooms, movable partitions allow large areas to be opened up or divided into smaller functional spaces whenever needed. They are widely used in hotels, conference centers, offices, schools, hospitals, and many commercial buildings that require multi-purpose space management. EBUNGE movable partition wall systems are designed with strong aluminum frames, premium sound insulation materials, and smooth overhead sliding tracks. Every panel is individually movable and can be easily stored in a small parking space when the wall is open. This feature allows users to transform a big hall into several meeting rooms or function rooms within just a few minutes. EBUNGE movable walls provide professional sound insulation, which helps create privacy and reduce noise transfer between rooms, depending on different models, thickness, and project requirements, which is excellent for commercial applications such as conferences, wedding venues, corporate meeting rooms, and training centers. Silent and comfortable communication has become extremely important in modern working spaces, and the movable walls are providing an ideal solution for this purpose. EBUNGE also provides a wide selection of finishes and decorative options. Customers can choose melamine, laminate, fabric, HPL, plywood, and acoustic panel surfaces. which allows the partition wall to match different architectural styles, interior design themes, and color preferences. We can also customize unique surface textures for hotels and corporate projects. At the same time, the system does not require any floor track, keeping the flooring continuous and clean, which is very important for premium commercial environments. In recent years, modern buildings have started to prefer open-plan design, but at the same time, privacy, sound insulation, and flexibility remain necessary. Movable partitions solve all of these requirements at the same time. For example, a conference hall can instantly become two separate spaces for parallel meetings. A hotel banquet hall can hold two events at the same time. An office can switch from open co-working mode to private meeting mode whenever necessary. These flexible functions greatly improve space utilization and increase commercial value for the building owner. EBUNGE has more than 16 years of experience, and we provide a complete one-stop solution, including professional, design, on-site measurement, manufacturing, transportation, and global installation guidance. Today, our movable partition systems are used in many countries around the world, and we continue to support architects, designers, and contractors with flexible commercial space. If you are looking for a reliable movable partition wall supplier, please contact EBUNGE at any time. We will assist you with professional movable wall solutions.
This beautiful
EBUNGE movable partition wall systems are designed with strong aluminum frames, premium sound insulation materials, and smooth overhead sliding tracks. Every panel is individually movable and can be easily stored in a small parking space when the wall is open. This feature allows users to transform a big hall into several meeting rooms or function rooms within just a few minutes. EBUNGE movable walls provide professional sound insulation, which helps create privacy and reduce noise transfer between rooms, depending on different models, thickness, and project requirements, which is excellent for commercial applications such as conferences, wedding venues, corporate meeting rooms, and training centers. Silent and comfortable communication has become extremely important in modern working spaces, and the movable walls are providing an ideal solution for this purpose.